What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys some cheap business ideas for my high school students out there. Really though, a lot of these ideas could really apply to anyone, no matter your age, no matter what point in life you are. They're just simple ideas, and that's why I'm recommending them to high school students, and they have very low startup costs. Making money in high school is actually not as hard as it seems. All it takes is some hard work and creativity. Today, I'm going to be taking you guys through some of the proven ways that high schoolers have made a pretty good income before without a job and with low capital. Also, stay tuned for number 4. It is my absolute favorite. And make sure you guys go down and leave us a like, because if you leave us a like, you have a much better chance at getting an A on your next test. Number 1, sell snacks at school. Many schools have quit selling good tasting snacks like candy and soda because they're bad for your health. Basically, every high schooler I know is upset about this because they still want to eat this stuff regardless of the nutrition. That is where you come in. You can start buying candy, chips, and pop to your school to sell them to your fellow classmates for a profit. You can usually mark up your products a full 100% or more. For example, a can of pop, you can average just like 25 cents a can of pop, and you can sell cans of pop for like $1 a piece, easy. It's also never a bad idea to do a little market testing to figure out which price is the best. The only downside to this business is that at most schools, you're going to have to keep this secret from the administration, as you will not be allowed to profit at school unless it's going towards a fundraiser for the school. Of course, I'm not advocating for you guys to go out and disobey the rules. However, if you insist on doing this business, just keep it secret from your principal and make sure nobody snitches. However, even if you do get caught, odds are you're not going to get in a whole lot of trouble. They'll probably just tell you to stop, but if you keep disobeying them, then yeah, it might get pretty serious. But it's not like you're out here selling like super illegal hardcore stuff. Number 2, shoe cleaning. Every teen nowadays, especially male teenagers, seem to be obsessed with buying very expensive shoes. Every shoe can cost hundreds of dollars per pair, and sneakerheads can be very particular about how their shoes look and how clean they are. This is where you come in, and you can offer a shoe cleaning service where you can charge them a fixed price and you can get their shoes looking brand new, squeaky clean again. All you need is a good shoe cleaner and a brush, and oftentimes they're sold in a bundle, a shoe cleaning kit, and usually the kits cost around $10 to $15 or more if you want to be pretty bougie. I'm also going to leave a link to one that I've actually used in the past, and it works pretty well. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not going to be making money. It's just a good, cheap suggestion. Cleaning shoes is actually not too difficult at all, and it doesn't require much cleaner, so your kits can last a very long time. You can charge your client around $5 per pair, and you'll be rolling in the profit in absolutely no time. Just 2 or 3 cleans, and you're already in net positive. To show that your service works and works well, take before and after pictures of your services. If I were you, I would actually dirty up the shoes a little bit before, just to make it look like you did an even better job. And maybe even use Photoshop to make them look even better afterwards. I'm just saying, this will get you more sales that you can advertise on your social medias. Number 3, baked goods. Here's another great food-based business that's pretty cheap to start. All you need to know is how to bake and have the proper ingredients to do so. Even if you make cookies or brownies from like a pre-made mix or dough, nobody's going to tell the difference, and even if they can, they're still going to want to support a young entrepreneur fellow like yourself. You can advertise on social media and of course word of mouth, and you can even create your own website to ship your goods across the world. A friend of mine actually started a business called Beth's Biscotti. It's pretty hard to say that for me. And he actually still to this day makes money selling his goods online. You can actually check out the website in our description. Again, we're obviously not making money off of this, but I heard that he sells pretty good food. It also wouldn't be a bad idea to contact local event organizers to potentially sell at these events. Of course, they're going to take some of your profits, but it'll get you a lot of traffic and a lot of sales. For example, there's always that little old lady that's selling brownies at the local basketball game. You could be that lady. You could run that lady out of business. But when you see that lady out on the street begging for money, you give her a biscotti. It's only right. Number 4, start a meme page. Young people love memes, and they've been loving them for some time. It's no longer just a little trend. People love them, and many people who like reading memes, including myself, follow dedicated meme pages on social media that can sometimes get thousands or millions of followers. These pages are actually very simple to manage. Just open up an Instagram or a Snapchat account and start posting your memes every day. You can either do memes that you create or ones that you take from other people, but of course, you're gonna have to give them the proper credit. Once you gain a following, you can actually make a killing with your memes. One of the main ways that you can make money through your meme page is advertising other meme pages on your page. They can pay you money to advertise. You can also become an affiliate with different companies and put ads on your page. People with the biggest meme pages are raking in a lot of money. Too much money for running a meme page. Of course, you don't have to have a meme page. It can be a sports page, a news page, a political page, whatever you want. Make a niche and follow it. Be consistent, gain followers, and start making some money. Remember to use hashtags. Hashtags are so important in getting traction and gaining more followers. Also, be consistent and don't give up. So I hope all you teens out there really benefited from this video. I thought these were actually some pretty good ideas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy our channel. Please check our channel out and give us a like and subscribe to us. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next Business Buzz video.